Okay, students, next we discuss about acceleration. Okay, and in previous classes we discuss path length, distance, displacement, velocity, and in this class mainly important acceleration. What is acceleration? Know that distance, displacement we will discuss it, and velocity is also be discussed. So velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Similarly, acceleration is also the rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. That is, how much amount of velocity will be increase or decrease. This will be found by using this acceleration part. Okay, so this acceleration is defined as dv by dt. dv by dt, that is the rate of change of velocity, and it is also called v minus u by t2 minus t1. V is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, and which is equal to also called v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1. v1 initial velocity, v2 and final velocity, t1 time at velocity v1, t2 time at velocity v2. Okay, now in this situation, what is the another definition of acceleration? Is the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, and also the change in velocity and by change in time. Change in velocity by change in time is also called acceleration. Okay, so what is acceleration? The rate of change of velocity. That is, how much amount of velocity will be increase or decrease in this one. We will find. Okay, so next, what are the units of acceleration? Units of acceleration is meter per second square, or in CGS system centimeter per second square. Okay, and also it is a vector quantity. That is, velocity is a vector quantity, so that this acceleration is also vector quantity. Vector means it's having both magnitude and direction. Now, what is the dimensional formula for this one? Dimensional formula is m power 0 lt power minus 2, or simply said lt power minus 2 also. Okay, now what are the types of acceleration? Same as it is in the velocity. In velocity concepts also we discussed the types of velocity. So these types of velocity is instantaneous velocity and average velocity, uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity. Similarly, in this also we discussed uniform acceleration, and next non-uniform acceleration we discussed. So what is uniform acceleration? Whenever a vehicle moves from a point A to point B, its initial velocity is v, that means some 0, and final velocity is also be 0. Okay, now we can take different laps of time. Now in each time interval t, the velocity of object remains constant. That means v. The velocity of the object remains constant. then this type of acceleration of the object is called uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Okay. Uniform acceleration means velocity remains constant. We remember this point. Velocity remains constant. As velocity is constant, that is velocity definition, the rate of change of displacement dx by dt remains constant. Okay, so displacement is dx by dt is also be constant. Okay, so this is very important point. In uniform acceleration, velocity remains constant. There is no increase or decrease in velocity, so that there is no change in acceleration. Okay, now we discuss the second point. Second type is non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration. What is non-uniform acceleration? Okay, in non-uniform acceleration, the object velocity, if an object velocity is changed or direction of velocity is changed, or also both are changed, then the object is said to be in non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration. For example, this velocity in non-uniform acceleration is v1, v2, v3. Something different is there in same time, and also direction will be changed. Okay, so that type of acceleration is called non-uniform acceleration. Okay, now the third one, instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration. What is instantaneous acceleration? Same as it is in the instantaneous velocity concepts also we discussed it. The acceleration of the particle mentioned at a particular instant of time is called instantaneous acceleration. Then acceleration ins suffix ins equal to, we have to write limit delta t tends to 0, that is dv by dt, which is equal to dv by dt, that is delta v by delta t equal to dv by dt. This is instantaneous acceleration. And fourth one, last one, is average acceleration. Average acceleration, or it is also called mean acceleration. Average acceleration is defined as, same as it is in the average velocity, average speed also, the total displacement by total time. Similarly, in this also we have to write average acceleration is defined as the ratio between total velocity of the object by total time taken or total time in the journey. Okay, so we have to see total velocity v plus v plus v plus v plus v plus v up to n times of v by times t plus t plus t plus up to n times of t. Therefore, nv by nt, there will get v by t. Similarly, this acceleration is also defined as velocity by time. Velocity by time. Okay, you must remember this formula. This box you must and should be remember. What is acceleration? A equal to v by t, or v equal to at, or t equal to v by a. Okay, these are all remember in your mind. Okay, and what about acceleration? In case velocity increase, then this acceleration is said to be positive. In case velocity decrease, this acceleration is said to be negative. Okay, so we have to apply brakes on the vehicle. Before apply the brakes, the vehicle in acceleration. After apply the brake, the vehicle is in deceleration. Once again I will tell you, deceleration, that is increasing acceleration is positive acceleration, decreasing acceleration is called negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is also called deceleration or deceleration, or simply said retardation. So the decreasing velocity of an object is called negative acceleration or retardation are also called deceleration. Okay, very important point, deceleration. So acceleration will be increased, it will be taken as positive. In case acceleration will be decreased, it will be taken as negative. Okay, you will be remember this one. So next we discuss about all formulas of this topics, that is displacement, distance and velocity, acceleration also. Okay, thank you.